This video covers how to clean a Markel curd pot or a soapstone curd pot or a yogurt pot for the first time. So the first time you get or purchase a Markel or a soapstone pot, it usually will be a little dusty. So the first step I would do is place it in a sink and wash it with water. Wash the entire vessel as well as the top part. Once you've got rid of the dust, the second step that I would do is I'll just use some salt. I've got powdered salt. You could use any salt. I would take a couple of teaspoons of this. 1, 2. And with the help of a non-scratchy soap scrubber, you can use any natural coir if necessary. I would just, since I have my phone on the other hand, I'm not able to show you this clearly, but basically take a scrubber and clean the insides of the pot, flip it over, clean the exterior of the pot. Use more salt if necessary. Completely scrub it clean and then rinse the pot. Repeat the same procedure for the lid. Again, pour in a little bit of salt, scrub the lid, scrub the insides of the lid, pour some more, add a little bit more salt. Now, a regular curd pot like a kalchatti does not need seasoning with oil and turmeric. That's it. This completes the cleaning procedure. I'll just dry it outside in the balcony or a patio. I'll just dry this outside in the patio or this thing over the course of a day. And setting the yogurt is as simple as adding milk that has been heated outside. So open this pot, heat some milk with a regular saucepan, add in your milk, to heat it to a lukewarm temperature. Pour the milk. Do not ever place the soapstone or a curd pot directly on the fire. Put warm milk and culture it with your normal curd or yogurt and leave it overnight, or if you're setting it up in the morning, maybe about 6 hours, because Markel curd pots can set your yogurt in about 6 hours time. So here I have a fresh pot of curd or yogurt that has been set. This takes about 6 hours. I set it in the morning and it's ready by lunchtime. As you can see, it's perfectly set, pretty solid. So the way I would wash this is, once I've finished using this up, I'll rinse this with water and just clean it with salt. Definitely no use of detergents or any of these chemical dish soaps, because soapstone has the ability to absorb the chemicals. Now this, being a porous surface, can absorb all the smells, so your yogurt or curd will tend to taste and smell soapy. So just rinse it off with some warm water or regular tap water and clean it with your normal soft scrubber with some salt. And that's all that is about caring and maintenance for this. And once you've sort of washed it, this is my new pot, I'll just place it outside in the sun till it dries out. So here I am in my patio or balcony, and I've just allowed it to dry out in the sun. And once it dries out, just use it like you would any other pot, washing it with normal water and salt. Thank you.